Hi, my name is Ganesh. I'm a solutions engineer, and here we're going to talk about a project, especially for the defense and the civilian demo. So this is exactly a search and rescue demo where we try to figure out a victim stranded in the sea or any other places where we need to search, and then rescue by sending out actors. Like in this case, it's a drone. So for this, we have used the Qt and QML project. This is basically making maps using OpenStreetMaps and for the 3D maps from Cesium. And here you would see we created 3 different screens. One being the input screen. This is where it has touch coordinates, where the operator will try to see what are the drones that is there in that particular area and try to send out the drones to do a search and rescue operation. And then there is a focus screen which would be focused on a particular drone. So for example, if I choose here, this will now start focusing on a particular drone, and then the operator can deploy a mission, and then it will start going towards the victim to do a search and rescue operation and then bring the victim back. So this is currently working on desktop, but it can be easily scaled to other embedded systems. And this is also working on Android with another focus application. So now we also build the Qt QML application that you saw on desktop also for Android. So this works on a Samsung Galaxy Tab, where this is an input application, input UI application, where the drone operator selects the drone that he wants to deploy. So in this case, I can just choose this and then do a deployment. So with this, you can see that we can use a Qt QML application developed only once, deployed to multiple platforms, and then do the operations that you want to do. If you want to try out new demos, you can head out to qt.io. Thank you.